How to first log out Twitter on all devices. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can first log out of all devices on Twitter if you think that your account has been compromised. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. Now let's say your Twitter account is logged in on another device. You signed up for a new phone and then you logged into your Twitter account in that account as well. And then you want to log out of all the other sessions. Well, you can absolutely do that. For that, what you need to do is just go ahead and launch the Twitter application. Then once you launch the Twitter application, you'll make sure that you're signed into the accounts from which you want to log out the other accounts from, and then tap on the profile icon from the top left hand side of the screen. Scroll down to the bottom, go to settings and support, then go to settings and privacy. Go to the option called security and account access, and under it you'll find the option called apps and sessions. Just tap on it again. As you go to apps and sessions over here, you'll be able to see a list of various options where you need to go to the option that says logged in devices and apps. Once you go to logged in devices and apps, first of all you need to simply confirm with your password, and then once you confirm with your password, just hit the confirm button. As you tap on the confirm button, here you'll be able to see a list of all the devices where your Twitter account is logged in, and you should be able to log them out irrespectively. Then you can come back. You can also try to go to the option called sessions or logged in devices and history. So you can go to account access history and then fill in all those, or you could also go to the option called sessions, and once you go to sessions you should be able to go ahead and then see all the sessions over here, and all you need to do is just tap on the option called log out of all of the sessions. It'll ask you for a confirmation. Just tap on the log out option and then you should be able to log out of all those devices. And this is simply how you can force log out Twitter of all devices. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.